In this video, I'll talk about how you can do a refund on Temu. Now what you have to do is head over to My Orders, and once you're under My Orders, there will be the item and you can click on Refund/Return. Go into Refund and fill in the information to do a refund for your item. Now once you've done this, you can track your refund by following the steps here. Open up and find your order, go to Details, and you should be able to see your refund status in there. Now, also you can do this. Please go to your account, find Messages, and click on your refund message notification to view the details. And keep in mind, once your refund has been issued, you should wait at least 5 to 14 business days, which means it can take up to 30 days because these are business days. So wait at least 1 month and you should get your refund. Now, that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.